What's up guys, Just Casey here from Tech for Geeks, and today we're taking a look at the Editor's Keys Studio Series headphones, and this was sent to me by Editor's Keys, so big thanks to them. You can also check them out at www.editorskeys.com, or you can just simply click the link in the description box below. Now the model is ANX-10, and these are active noise cancelling headphones, which means you're gonna hear less noise, you should hear pure sound as well, and how recording should be heard. Now the packaging of the ANX-10 is just high quality, as you can see. It's also well presented, and it comes with a travel pouch, so you can always bring the headphones along with you when you're traveling. And you have these cables and adapters as well, so you can use it on the plane and obviously when you're recording. And it comes with a free battery as well. It's AAA, but unfortunately that's not the battery that comes with the headphones, as I've already used it. So yeah, now I've been using this pair of headphones for quite a few weeks now, and mainly for editing and listening to music, as this is what these headphones are for. But obviously I've used the headphones to watch a few movies as well. Now let's take a look at the design, obviously, because it's really important for every headphone to have a great design, sturdy and durable build. Now the ANX-10 is well designed, there's no doubt. It really gives you a modern look that is designed for studios. Now you have two padded ear cups, metal frame, headrest with foam inside, and you have an on and off switch as well, and this is the one for noise cancellation, which I'll talk about in just a moment. But keep in mind that you will need AAA battery for this if you want to use the active noise cancellation. Now the headphones are slightly flimsy actually on the rotating ear cups, and it creates this noise when rotating, and that's probably because of the hard plastic build on the headphones. But despite the plastic material, these headphones are very sturdy, mark my word for that. Now even you stretch this to 180 degrees, the metal frame stays in the same shape no matter what, unless I guess you really went too far with this. Now the ear cups fit very well on my ears, and it's not too small or too big either, and you have the foam paddings as well that really helps when editing for long hours. Now the only problem I had was the leather cover, as you will sweat a lot quicker. But apart from that, these are very comfortable to use, and my ears didn't really hurt after hours of editing. As I've mentioned earlier, this is active noise cancelling headphones, and based on my testings, it was very effective. Now it blocks almost all the noise, and I just felt like I was in my own world, so to speak. Now the way it works is that it actually checks the noise for you, then switches to a different frequency to remove the noise. And in fact, it doesn't actually reduce the audio quality, but instead it enhances it. And the moment you turn on the switch, now the differences are quite noticeable. And since it blocks the noise, you will actually hear a lot more of the audio rather than hearing more of the noise, and that's really important for headphones. Now onto the internal components of these headphones. Now the speakers have 40mm drivers with frequency response of 8Hz to 22,000 Hz, so you get a wide range in there, an impedance of 100 ohms on non-reduction mode and 300 ohms on noise reduction mode. Now you don't really need any special applications or drivers when using these. However, if you do have an audio converter, then even better. But unfortunately, I don't own any of them, so I'm just going to be basing it from my experience when I was using it on my smartphone and on my laptop. Now the sound on these when I'm editing my videos is crisp and very clear, and it's almost like I was actually doing a live monitoring. And speaking of live monitoring, this is actually great if you do that, because since it has a noise active cancellation feature, then that means you're gonna basically just hear what you're sounding like, whether you need to adjust the reverb and all those things. Now I can hear nearly every noise that was picked up actually by the microphone, which is a good sign. And I couldn't hear that on my other headphones or headset that I was using recently. And as I've said, with the help of noise cancellation technology, it was a lot more easier for me to edit and what needs to be edited in the video. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm a huge fan of heavy bass, and what I mean by that is heavy bass on the headphones, but at the same time it doesn't overpower the music. Now I've tried some of the Beats headphones, and the main problem I found was the overpowering bass, but with this it's not. The mids are great on this, especially if you listen to a lot of acoustic where you just want to hear the vocals and the guitar that is being strummed. And what I mean by that is the clarity in the words and the tone is just really detailed and clear. Same with live recording albums. Now, if you listen to a lot of that, then definitely this headphones handles it really well. Now the highs are clean and don't rumble, so if you listen to, I guess, like a lot of heavy metals as well, where you're gonna need a lot of cymbals, then it doesn't sound too trashy. Although there are a few times where I think the highs are a little too much, but that's not a big of an issue to me. Overall, the ANX-10 is a bargain. At the current price of $149, I'm actually happy to say that this pair of headphones can compete with other high-end headphones around the $300 to $400 price tag from Bose and Beats, I guess, and other headphone brands, you name it. The audio qualities from these headphones are amazing. Whether it's metal, reggae, electronic, or pop, you name it, the ANX-10 knows how songs should sound like. Now, if you're looking for headphones that retails around the $149 price tag, then I recommend this if you don't really care about the plastic material. But apart from that, sound-wise, it sounds amazing. So there you have it. That's our full review of the Editor's Keys Studio Series ANX-10. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video or if you find it helpful, then definitely make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And as always, I'm Jens Garcia from Tech for Geeks, and I'll see you all in the next one.